take a look at unique, especially in classics. 1966 model year. This particular car has had a repaint to bright red. It is a T code, so it does have the 200 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and take a look at that front bumper. Check out the chrome on it, grille, running horse logo. Show as well. Now, as far as the repaint, it is a little older repaint, and there are, as you can see, take a look at that, you can see the reflection coming out the hood. So I mean, it does have a nice shine to it, obviously, but you are going to see some spots where it does show its age a little bit. But it's one of those you can get into and drive, and you're not going to break the bank like you are in a 289 car, resto mod, anything like that. A few little spots kind of up on this side too, if you notice, but again, this being pretty fussy. 4-speed manual transmission, so fun one to drive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, going to take you right there. And you can call us 507-386-1726. Firestone radials, and FYI, that is a wheel, that is not a wheel cover. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, you're going to have some imperfections here and there, but overall, paint has a nice reflection and shine coming off it. Interior, parchment vinyl interior, buckets. Now, you do see that it does have the AC component underneath the dash. There's also AC components underneath the hood. Does not function, but looks like the majority, if not all of them, are there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for a extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You're going to notice, if you look at the underside pictures, there is newer exhaust components. This vehicle is also originally from Texas, Dallas, Texas, DSO. One spot I wanted to point out back here too, where you can see a little bit of previous work that was done to it. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see this side, again, pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a couple little tiny, you can see that there. And again, that's getting pretty fussy. But take a look down the driver's side. You can see the reflection coming off the paint. Lights to the front door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. One other thing I wanted to point out is I did notice a little bit of wear up on the headliner there. A little bit of the threads coming loose. Always, like I said, the parchment vinyl seats. A little darker contrasting carpet. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check that out. Wipers do work. Horn works. Radio works. So it fires right up. Show you the radio a second. It's a good sounding radio. Again, horn and wipers do work. Check out the dash. Make sure neutral. All right. Take a little closer look at the seats as far as the vinyl. Wear's fine there. Seat belts, front seats. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Wrap this video up. Again, check out the underside. You're going to see newer exhaust components under there. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood. Check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Nothing crazy underneath here. Pretty stock looking. Again, 200 cubic inch inline 6. Appears it's got a newer fuel pump on it. Some AC components. Has a newer radiator also. Sounds good, like I said earlier. A little more bang for the buck. You don't have to break the bank with the big V8 cars, resto mod cars, anything like that. Have some fun in the classic car hobby. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.